Hello guys. Before studying HTML, we need to understand some basic technologies, and these technologies will help us in understanding HTML more deeply and more clearly. So the first thing that you need to understand is the browser. A browser is a software that people uses to access internet. So whenever you want to access any website, you need to have a browser like Chrome browser, Safari browser. You can use any of them, but in this course I will be using this Chrome browser. The second thing you need to understand is the web server. Special computers you will be using to host your website. Well, a server is basically a computer, but it stays online for 24 by 7, and you will host your website on the web server, and whenever someone requests for your website, the server will send your website to the appropriate person. We will be seeing this part in the next video, but this is just an introduction. Screen readers are software that reads the content of the screen to the user. So, whenever you want to read the content of the screen, you can read it by yourself, or you can either use a screen reader and that screen reader will read the content of the screen. Now the question is, why we need a screen reader to read the content of the screen? Because we can read it by ourselves. Yes, we can read it by ourselves, but a person having visual impairment, like a person who cannot even see, how will he read the content of your website? So he needs a screen reader. Or a person while driving, jogging, or doing some stuff, and while doing these stuff he also want to read the content of your website. So in this case he will be using screen readers. Why we are studying screen reader? This is because screen readers plays important role in web development. That is, you need to create your website in such a way that it will tell the screen reader this part is heading, this part is paragraph, and this is the content area, what is the footer. So you need to create your website in such a way that it can explain itself to the screen reader. So hope this is clear.